Asunto-osakeyhtiö Tuulentupa.
It sounds very amazing today here on the 9th of May 2025. We have Tornipolku, ValmetSchlieren 13.6a. Maybe it's the same code as B also.
Yeah.
It's also here in the suburb of Gammelbacka in Porvoo, Finland, with 6 floors, built in 1964 by ValmetSchlieren. The same as BS3824. Storage on here to the right side. Building 15 and 17 AB have been more also Delta in 2004,
Yeah.
where we filmed the building 15
Yeah.
so far. But 17 AB we can take later.
Yeah.
Or 17 BC later.
Yeah.
Or I can take it most later.
Yeah.
I love the sounds and smell here.
Same.
I like this yellow and red style here.
Same. Niin se pitää paikki vaistaa, että meidän paikka on.
Finally something very old and original today.
Yeah.
It's also got one 1988 so nice, and then several other optimizations
Yeah.
so far. But Porvoo still has 2 little also.
Yeah.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's